President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. vows justice for missing cockfighters regardless of rank or status. He condemned the disappearances and said no one is above the law as the DOJ advances its probe with new evidence. As our Luisa Erispe tells us more.
Nagtutulungan ang buong pamahalaan para lutasin ang mga kaso ng mga nawawala dahil sa walang pakundangang kagagawan ng mga sindikato sa likod ng madilim na mundo ng mga sabungan. Hahabulin at pananagutin natin ang mga utak at mga sangkot, sibilyan man o opisyal. Kahit malakas, mabigat o mayaman, hindi sila mangingibabaw sa batas.
This was the pronouncement of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. during the State of the Nation address regarding the case of the missing cockfighting enthusiast. The chief executive said no one is above the law and everyone involved in the case should be held accountable. That's why the Department of Justice, or DOJ, is continuously trying to solve the case and is searching for the people believed to be behind it. According to Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, they are holding a new witness with new pieces of evidence that will help in resolving the case.
Hindi lang to testimonial evidence, may real evidence na involved dito. Meron ditong totoong ebidensya na bukod sa kwento, meron itong sariling ebidensya pa na kalakip kasama nito.
Remulla did not confirm if this witness is a member of the Alpha Group, but he can say that this person can prove the credibility and the veracity of the statements of suspect Julie Patidongan alias Totoy. The DOJ promised that in line with President's directive, they will not stop until the case is solved.
Basta ito, sigurado lang namin yung ng kaso, yung continuity ng case, tsaka yung tibay na ebidensya. And we're there already. We're almost there.
Meanwhile, the chief of the Philippine National Police, or PNP, General Nicolas Torre III, went to the DOJ office. Remulla asked Torre to relieve a police official from his position, specifically a service commander. Though it is not confirmed that this individual is involved in the case, Remulla said this person's actions were suspicious.
Meron siyang hinilos na hindi ko gusto. Alam nyo, napakahalaga ng gantong tiwala sa prosesong to. Tiwala ang pinakamahalagang rito, magkaroon. Kasi pag wala kang tiwala, paano magsasalita ang mga tao kung hindi buo ang tiwala? So yun lang ang aking sinigurado.
Remulla also plans to talk to the director of the National Police Commission, or NAPOLCOM, to compare notes on the case. This is after a resolution was released by the NAPOLCOM today, finding probable cause to file an administrative case against the 12 policemen based on the affidavit of alias Totoy. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.